Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Here's a quick little tip for you. Recently, I helped a relative of mine move and he rented a U-Haul. When we got to the gas station to put some gas in it, he got kind of frustrated and said, I don't know which side the gas tank is on. So I told him about a simple little trick. And here's all you need to do. Come to your driver's display, look next to your gas gauge, and you're gonna see right here, there's a little bitty gas pump right there with an arrow and it's pointing to the left. That means the gas tank is on the left-hand side of this vehicle. And just so you can see this, in my second vehicle, right down here is the fuel gauge for my GMC 2500. And look at what we have right down there, that little gas pump with the arrow once again. Both of my vehicles have the tank on the left-hand side. That's nice and convenient. So I hope that video is helpful to somebody. And remember, I made this video for people who didn't know about this, not those of you who already do. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.